how to remove credit card details from Agoda. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can remove your credit card details from the Agoda app. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So first, for people who do not know what Agoda is an online travel agency catering to multiple customers around the world. And yeah, you can book your flights, you can book for accommodations, ground transportations, and activities. So you can basically book your vacations here. So to delete your credit card details here, first open up the app. Make sure that you're logged into your account. After you've done that, you'll need to head over to your profile that is on the bottom right. There you will see your more option, and there you should find an option that says my saved cards. Head over there. Now here you will see the list of your saved cards, and if you want to remove that saved card, what you'll need to do is simply select the card that you want to remove, and then you'll get the delete option or the remove option. Simply tap on that and you will remove that very card. Now you cannot actually remove the card's details from the bookings and stuff you've already done, so that detail is already gonna be saved and cannot be changed. But for the future, you can simply remove the card that you have on your Agoda app. And yeah, that is basically all for today's video, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye. Take care.